You might have created your video and then you are wondering, how are you supposed to post this video? Are you supposed to post through the YouTube app, through the studio app, or through the browser version? You are asking this question because you need answers, right? So on today's video, I'm going to be clarifying all this, telling you the best option for you to use, especially as a new YouTuber and also as someone who has been into this YouTube game for a long time. I'm going to be telling you everything in details in this particular video. Before we proceed, if this looks like something that you want to watch, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop a comment of what you think about this video below. And let me tell you everything that I know about this question and what I have in store for you. You're gonna love it, trust me guys. You might have been seeing so many videos on YouTube telling you how to post videos to get more views. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you upload from the YouTube app you won't get view, or if you upload from the browser version you won't get views, or if you use the YouTube Studio app that you won't get views. No, that is not what we mean. What we mean is that there are some features that you can find in the browser version of YouTube Studio that you cannot find in the YouTube app, and you can also not find it in the YouTube Studio app. These features can only be found in the YouTube desktop version. Your questions right now may be, what are even these features? The number one feature that you can find only on the YouTube desktop version is end screen. You may be wondering, what is end screen? End screen are those small boxes of videos that you see after watching a particular video. They just pop up at the end of every video. It can come in form of a playlist, it can be a video, or maybe a channel. This end screen is a way for you to also advertise your video, because this advertisement is something that we all need in this YouTube space. We need as much click as we can get, even though it's just one person that click on your video through that end screen. It counts, or if it's just two people, it actually counts a lot. Feature number two that you can only find in the YouTube desktop version is cards. Cards are those links that just pop up at the corner of a video, which you can just click it even while you are watching that video. You can just touch on that card and you can go and watch whatever it is or do whatever that card is saying. You're not going to find this option if you are using any other way to upload your video, only in the YouTube desktop version. Before the end of this video, I'm still going to show you step by step on how you upload this your video. The number three feature that you can only find in the YouTube desktop version is Adbreak. If you're already monetizing on YouTube, don't even make the mistake of depending on the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. If you do, you won't have the option to use this Adbreak in your videos. And you know, if you don't use this Adbreak, your revenue is going to be very low. So you need to use Adbreak. For those of you that don't know what Adbreaks are, Adbreaks is like those ads you see at the middle of a video. When you're watching a video, ads suddenly just come up. Those are called ad break. Yes, we creators, we put these ad breaks ourselves in our videos because we are trying to earn money from our video. So if you don't use the YouTube desktop version, you won't be able to use this ad break, and you'll be reducing the earnings that you can get for that particular video. The number four features that you can only find in the YouTube desktop version is the YouTube thumbnail test. You won't be able to use the YouTube thumbnail test if you upload using the other versions of the YouTube, like the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. If you don't know what thumbnail test is, this is just you adding more than one thumbnail to a particular video. It's like YouTube testing this thumbnail. You can put up to 3 thumbnails. Yes guys, you upload up to 3 thumbnails for just one video, and then YouTube will test to see that, okay, which of these thumbnails actually got more views for your video. That is the thumbnail that YouTube is going to use. And trust me guys, if you don't even like that thumbnail, you can still go ahead and remove it. You can still go ahead and remove it and put your own choice of thumbnail. But this is very important, because if you are not sure on which thumbnail is going to go viral, you can just go ahead and put the 3 thumbnails, and YouTube will automatically show you which of them works well for that video. Now somebody may be asking, I uploaded through the YouTube desktop version but it took forever for it to load. Alright, so now there are 2 ways for you to do this. The first way is that you can upload through your YouTube app and then you go over to the desktop version to fix all these features that were not available in the app that you use for uploading. And the features are those features I talked about in the earlier part of this video. So if you miss any of those parts, you can go back and check it to be sure of what I'm talking about. The second way, which personally I use it a lot, you just go over to the YouTube desktop app and upload your video directly. Yes guys, but let me tell you, when you click on upload and the thing start downloading, don't even touch it. Yes, even when you are done with the information you need to fill on the video in that first page that shows, don't click on next. Just wait there for the video to finish uploading up to 100%, and when it start processing, you can then go over to the next page. Yes, this works a lot for me, because when you go over and click on next and finish other stuff, when your video have not uploaded, you see it will take forever. So I make sure to wait on that particular first page after clicking on upload and choosing my video. When it has finished uploading, then I can go ahead and click on next and do the other things on that video. Don't worry, I'll be showing you what I mean in the later part of this video. And please note this, I'm not saying if you upload through the YouTube app or if you upload through the YouTube Studio app that you won't get views. No, what I'm saying is that all these features are also important. They give you 1 or 2 views or even more than that. So if you really want to grow on YouTube, you need to maximize all the features in your videos. Yes, maximize all the YouTube features. There's a reason why they put it there. Yes, go and use it and get that view. You will see the improvement in your videos. Go on and try it. Now let's go over. Let me show you what I've been talking about.
This is the desktop version of the YouTube Studio. So I just click on select file so I can select the file I want to upload. Okay, so let's assume what I want to upload is this particular one. Okay, so guys, here is the video. So this is the thumbnail tells I'll be talking about test and compare. When you click on test and compare, you have the option to choose up to 3 different thumbnails. And guys, those of you that are confused when you have more than one thumbnail on which of the thumbnail to use, you can go ahead and use this option so that you can allow YouTube to test it for you. As you can see guys, I waited for this thing to finish uploading. You see the upload complete. Processing will begin soon. Yes guys, this is how you should do it if you want it to upload very fast. As you can see, mine has finished uploading in no time. So guys, make sure you do this on your video, right? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and I'll see you in my next video.